Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this web scraping API called ScrapingBee. So let's dive into it. ScrapingBee is a web scraping API designed to save developers time by handling the tough part of scraping like proxy, capture and JavaScript rendering. It's fast, reliable and comes with features like dynamic rendering, screenshot and even AI-driven data extraction. Make it a choice pick for business that needs scalable scraping solution. The ease of setup, great documentation and strong performance are definitely pros that make ScrapingBee stand out compared to others. That said, it's not perfect. The free plan is limited, pricing gets expensive for smaller projects, and concurrency limit on cheaper plan can slow things down. While it performs well on most sites, scraping highly protected page may still require extra tweaking. Overall, ScrapingBee is an excellent choice if you need professional grade scraping at scale. But if you are just running a small project or working on a budget, there may be more affordable tools out there for you to use compared to ScrapingBee. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.